winter right now and the sun is shining. In the Netherlands, where I'm coming from, it's like right now raining, snow. My family just sent me a picture. It's so different, you know. You have a mosque on every corner just at a walking distance. I mean, it's crazy. Here, I mean, this is what I'm hearing every single day. It's just on a walking distance. How beautiful is that?
الله أكبر
I mean, like I said, you have a masjid on every corner. You hear the adhan the whole day. All of the food is halal. I mean, in Europe, I need to watch the whole menu card, and you need to have only specific restaurants where you can eat. I mean, here everything is fine. You know, you have friendly people, good weather, beautiful surroundings. Everything is safe. Alhamdulillah, it's a good economy. A lot of entrepreneurs here as well. Alhamdulillah, the business made me able to travel around. So why not? Why not move? I mean, I have all these questions in my head, and a lot of people around me who already made this step of making hijrah, you know. So I'm actually really considering it. I mean, and that's one of the greatest benefits of having an online business, you know. It doesn't matter where you are. You can just pick a spot what feels good for you, where you are in a good flow, etc., etc. And my business right now, I mean, I'm at a stage where I can travel around, where for me it is permissible to go to places like this. So, I mean, why not, you know? It's really in my head, all of these questions, like, why don't I just go here? And at least for now, it feels so good, it feels so much better. And I have a lot of entrepreneurs around me who already made this step. I have good people around me, good entrepreneurs, God-fearing entrepreneurs. Just everything that I find here, I cannot find it in Europe, man. I've seen so many places, but nothing compared to what is here.